Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on private albums on your photo gallery on One UI 8.0. So a hidden album has been added inside your gallery that can only be accessed with biometrics and doesn't appear in My Files. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So tap on Gallery, next tap on Menu, and here tap on Settings. Now here you need to go and scroll down and find Gallery Labs. Now if you don't see it, tap on About Gallery, tap multiple times until you get a message saying Gallery Labs has been enabled. So this is a secret menu. Tap on it, turn the menu on, and then here find Private Albums and go ahead and turn this feature on. Now go back. Now next, go ahead and close Gallery, restart it again, and then go ahead and choose a photo where you want to move it to private album. So let's say, for example, this photo here. Go ahead and long press on this, tap on More, and then go ahead and tap on Move to Private Album. So this will move it to a private album. Now to access your private album, you need to tap on Menu and then find Private Album. Go ahead and use your PIN or your fingerprint. And once authenticated, you'll see your private albums where you have all your photos there. So it's an extra layer of security for your sensitive photos or videos. Even if someone gets into a gallery, your private album remains completely invisible. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on private albums on your Samsung Galaxy device using One UI 8.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.